Hey, girls, hold on. This is going to blow your mind. Yes, it's going to blow your mind. So if you are the type that your husband always look outside, maybe probably because he don't enjoy you, maybe that's why you normally look outside. Sometimes most men are like that, but most time most men look outside because maybe they don't longer enjoy their wives. Okay, so today, guys, girls, I'm going to teach you girls how you can keep your man. Okay, how you can keep your man. 'Cause when you are very sweet in bed, he will not even think of cheating on you, because even if you do, you kind of like, why did I do this? Oh my god, why did I even waste my time on this? He will even regret to sleep with another person, because it will just look like a waste of time to him, because that person will not even be sweet to him. Okay, that's what this video is all about. How to make your man stick to only you and you alone. Okay, this video is all about how you can be the boss lady in bed. Okay, how you can be the boss lady in bed. Okay, because your husband or your boyfriend will definitely, I will want to spend more time with you. You'll be the one to say no, 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 I don't want it anymore. I was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Hello, girls. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Today, guys, no, we are not talking to guys now. Today's girls will be looking at how you make a man stick to only you, so that anytime he or she has you with you, he will never want to meet any other person again. Yes, he will never want to meet any other person again. Now you're going to need three items for this. You are going to need a date. You are going to need a tiger nuts. You are going to need tiger nuts. The picture you are seeing on the screen. You are going to need dates. Yes, date. Same picture you are seeing on the screen. And the third item you are going to need is coconut. Yes, I believe you guys don't know coconut. You are going to get coconut. Okay. Yes, you need coconut. So the first thing is that after you have gotten those three items, the tiger nut, the date, and the coconut, first you are going to remove the seed from the date. That's after calling the bean. You are going to remove the seed this side. After you have removed the seed this side, then the coconut you are going to remove from the hard part. So you only need the soft one. Okay. After then you are going to blend the three items together. And after you have blended these three items together, okay, you can save it. Okay, you can save it. So just extract the juice from it. And after you have extracted the juice from this, then add pig milk to it. If you like, it's not compulsory. If you like the taste like that, you can go with it. But you can add pig milk to it for more energy. So you add pig milk to it. That's from the juice. After you extract the juice from those three blended items, extract the juice from them, add milk to it. If you like, you can keep it in the fridge. Okay, so it will not. I want you guys to come back and testify and tell me how everything goes. Once he sleeps with you, believe me, he will confess to you that seriously you are the best man I've ever met in my life. Okay, with this you should be able to keep your man, because even when he has sex with other women, he will not even feel like he did anything with anybody. It will just feel like he just wasted the time. So he wouldn't want to like go back again, because no man want to waste his time. When he's not enjoying himself aside, definitely he will pay full attention to you. So girls, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. Okay, and what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button so that you can become one of the family, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I make a post a video, you will be the first person to be notified. And anything you don't understand, ask question, I will get back to you.